What is good, y'all? So I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be working on the Z. Last video I think I was working on the hatch. That's the last video, but it was like a long time ago. But today we're gonna be working on the Z. We're gonna be installing some BC Racing coilovers. Right now I'm just getting it jacked up. You can check it out real quick. Yo, say what up to the vlog. Yo. I'll show you guys the coilovers right now. I don't know how much battery life I have on my camera, but I'm only gonna record half of it, probably half the job or whatever. I'll do the fronts. We're gonna do the fronts first and then the rears next. But here are the coilovers right here. Here's one for the front. So right now I'm gonna just get the car jacked up and then I'll come back to when we start taking the wheels off and whatnot. Car issues 101, huh? That's a fact. Right now we're taking off the strut bar so that we can get access to these bolts back here. About to take this wheel, one side off. Tires still look pretty good. Alright, so I never done this before, but you know, YouTube always helps, so I'm gonna be looking at YouTube. I mean, everything should be pretty straightforward. I mean, just take shit off and put it back together. So everything looking pretty good back here. I feel like I gotta replace some bushings over here, but we won't need to do that right now. Next video, you guys see what I have next for this car. A lot of things coming. What happened? Video will be back once I start taking other shit apart. Like I said, I want this video to be straightforward. I don't really have a lot of battery life, so I left my batteries at home. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention that we're gonna be taking off the sway bar end links, taking those off, replacing them. I think the bushings are bad, so I just bought them. Why not? You know what I mean? So we had some technical difficulties, but we're back. We had to go to Harbor Freight. Well, first we went to AutoZone. Went to AutoZone, then went to Harbor Freight next, and just on a mission, just to try to get one side of the fucking wheel off, because it kept getting stuck. We don't have the right socket. But now we're back. We got the right socket, and about to take this shit off. Now we're on a mission now for sure, because we running out of daylight, so we're gonna have to start stepping it up, going crazy. Once we start taking everything off, I'm come back to this. All right, so we just got one side off. I already got my shirt off and shit like that. It's hot as fuck out here. But we just got one side out. Out with the old and with the new. New, old. And I think they already have like about like an inch almost, right? Like a drop. So we don't really have to do too much adjustment. If anything, we'll just raise it back up and just adjust it. But oh, it comes with new hardware too. Perfect. Once we get the other side done and we start with the rears, I'm gonna get back to it.
That shit was hot.
So right now we're losing daylight, but yeah, we had pain in the ass with the sway bar end links. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But we not stopping.
Hell no. But yeah, so we stuck on the right side right now, but the backs are way easy, so we'll be done with the backs in like 20 minutes, but let me not jinx myself. So
Got that right.
yeah. But like I said, I'll be back when we start with the backs. I just want to give you guys a little update from the last clip, just to say that we were stuck, so that way when I get to the next clip, you guys don't think like, wow, why is it so dark and shit like that. So yeah, now you know why it's so dark. Right now he's just grinding away at the bolt. Once he gets it off, we're gonna put it on real quick and then we should be good with the front. So let's get it. So we just got done the other side. I know it's dark as shit out, but on camera it looks actually light a little bit. But right now we about to lower the first side. It's probably gonna look lower anyways because one side's gonna be down, but Yeah, this car needs a wash. But once the spring settles, it's almost a stock height, kinda. It's a little bit lower, right? I mean, once the springs settle, like I said, anyways, there's more weight on this side. Once the springs settle, it's gonna look a little bit lower. But we're gonna adjust it tomorrow anyways to fit flush. Right now we're losing daylight. All right. Now this side. Oh, it's definitely low. This side looks a well, I don't know. Nah. It's definitely as low as it was in. Oh, it's a little bit actually lower. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit lower.
Now you could definitely tell for the front lip too.
Yeah, but look how holy shit. Higher. I ain't gonna lie, that's a little.
That's good. That's good.
Nah, yeah, it's good. We clearing too.
That's good.
Look how holy shit that shit looks like it almost sits down.
A little bit more flush. That's
yeah,
perfect.
About to sit down on the damn ground with the lip.
You know how you can tell?
Yeah, look at the backs though. It looks funny. All right, so my camera's about to die. If my camera dies, I'm gonna have to show you guys the rest tomorrow or show you guys how it looks. At least I got to record some.
All right, back.
All right.
Back. We're going to lift up.
What is good, guys? I am back. I don't know exactly what I recorded last clip, but I know it probably cut off mid-scene. So I'm sorry for that. This is an update, right? This is gonna be more of an update now of what happened before then. It's been a while and I forgot to record a lot of things. So this video is probably gonna be all over the place, just letting you guys know. So right now I'm going to my friend's house. We're gonna go check car completely, make sure everything's good because I have an inspection due in, it's actually supposed to be done probably this month or whatnot, but got an inspection due. Need to make sure I gotta look over the car, make sure everything's good, and make sure that the car will pass. Right now it doesn't have no check engine light, so we're off to a great start right now. So yeah, like I said, I'm going over to my friend's house and we're gonna check the car, jack it up, make sure it doesn't really need anything. It's been making a weird noise on the right passenger side. Hoping it's not a wheel bearing, but that's what we're gonna check right now. So well, I'll catch you guys when I'm over at the house. So I just pulled up to the house right now. About to go inside, see what's up with him, and see if he's willing to help me out. I mean, I have the jack and stuff in the car right now and whatnot, but I'm pretty sure he ain't gonna deny me, you know what I mean? We usually help each other out with working on cars and whatnot, so I guess let's just get right to it. It's probably just gonna be more of a vlog video, honest. Like, not really used to vlogs and whatnot, but hey, I'm gonna start getting used to it, do more vlog type stuff, you know, just so that way I can incorporate whatever and just have fun with it, you know. But I'll kind of explain that more later on in the video. Right now, let's just get to whatever I'm doing now. Huh? Euro? Euro? Oh, what the fuck? I heard banging and shit. I got your ass on camera too. Yeah. Yeah, he tried to scare me and shit.
I was sitting there, I'm like, damn, I'm on there beating you guys. Shut the door and go back.
I just heard banging out there. I'm like, what the fuck? I thought that was Kayleani or something like that.
I was like this, I was peeping through the hole. I was like, I was here. I heard somebody talking, I'm like,
yeah.
And you didn't text me and tell me he's here.
Yeah. I was about to or whatnot, yeah.
I was like, you know, I'm gonna look and see what this is.
So right now we was checking the car. We just figured out that it's what was it? One of the passenger side wheel bearing that was messed up, right?
Nah, they're both messed up.
They're both? Well, they're both messed up. Anyways, if I change one, I'm gonna have to change the other one anyway, so I'm gonna have to order some wheel bearings. But good thing is I might be able to still pass an inspection with that. So I'll be fine for now. Right now, he's about to work on his car.
Where are my damn tire rods?
I don't think they have seen your car on the video either.
No, I don't think he did.
Right now, squatting in the back because, you know, it's jacked though. I could have just been like, oh, you know, this is how low it is right here.
Yeah,
They squatting.
It's raised up in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, bro. You're back.
But yeah, this is a Civic that he got. Yeah, it's just a chill day. We were just, you know, checking on the cars, making sure everything's all right. And yeah, so far all I need is wheel bearings, which is good because they're pretty cheap online. The only thing is I'm gonna just have to wait till next week to install them. I'm thinking that Advance and AutoZone, they don't have them. They have the press-in ones. They don't have the bolt-on ones, the whole full assembly. But online, I bought the rear ones. I changed the rear wheel bearings, I want to say like last month. Both sides, which was pretty easy, but a little bit hard because we had to take the axles out and whatnot. But with this one, it's going to be easy because we don't have no axle in the front and whatnot. So yeah, whenever that happens, you know, that'll be another video. I forgot to show you guys how the car sits from last video, because I didn't even finish recording the last video and I didn't even show them how the car was.
So the only thing we finished it, that's why.
Nah. But yeah, look, that's how the car's sitting on the BCs. It was a little bit higher, but car settled, and that's how it's looking. Oh yeah, also I bought the wing for it, duckbill wing, but that's gonna be a whole nother video whenever I get that thing painted. Video's probably gonna be really long. But yeah, we're about finishing up. I might just get check my oil, see where it's at, and that's pretty much it. I should be able to pass inspection with flying colors. So yeah, I'll just keep vlogging for the rest of the day. Whatever I vlog, I vlog. Whatever I don't know. The day's already over if I don't vlog. And this sunlight is good out here. Well, right now the sunlight is coming out towards us. That shit just blinded me. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys too. Freaking, I got a ticket. I'm pretty sure I got a ticket on the Civic. I haven't checked yet, but I seen white sticker on, well, not a white sticker, but like white ticket looking thing on the car. So I was like, yep, I got a ticket. And you know why? Because I don't have inspection on that car. So yeah, I'm having a pretty bad day already. But in a minute we're probably gonna go check that. I'm probably gonna be parking my car here at his house for a little bit until I could get some tires for it, which I'm probably just gonna get some eBay tires for now. Why not? Because I don't got the money to be buying some expensive ass shit.
eBay tires ain't bad.
Yeah,
not bad.
Oh look, he done messed up now.
There we go.
Okay, got stuck for a second. About to take his whole front bumper off. But alright, I'll let you guys know when I pick up the hatch. So that way you guys can actually see that hatch. You probably haven't seen it in a while since my last video. So you guys get to see that, at least. Some more content on here. Just pulled in the hatch right here. Huh?
I know you need that filter.
Yeah. I know you guys haven't seen this in a while right here. This has been sitting forever. Look, it's getting rust. No. On the new fenders. It's like surface rust though. It's easy to take off. I haven't seen this in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back home now. I know it's probably like a big cut and whatever was going on, but yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and end off the video right there. It's probably pretty long, so that's why I'm ending it off right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see some more. Definitely keep tuned of what's going on and keep updated with my video. If you want, you can hit that notification bell so that way you can keep updated with my videos. All right, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.